Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to another video. In today's video we are going to talk about how high can SUI go after Binance listing. Have you thought about that before? Okay, so I want to talk about it because that's the most important thing to know about. So if you're new to my channel, subscribe and turn on the bell notification because we share everything about crypto, everything you may like about crypto. So you don't want to miss out because we have many videos right here to help you through. If you're looking for a way to earn free money, okay, there are many airdrops right here you can go claim. So follow that route and I wish you success. How high can SUI go after Binance listing? Have you thought about that before? Okay, so I want to talk about it because that's the most important thing to know about. So if you're new to my channel, my name is rJLNDEM. I talk about everything about crypto. I make predictions. I talk about airdrops. Everything you can come to think about, all I do on this channel. And I analyze the crypto market, and this is one of my area of expertise, and I love it so much. So if this interests you so much, I'd like you to subscribe, turn the bell notification, smash the like button. I hit the camera, smash the like button. A lot of people don't get to do it for me. So guys, SUI is one of the most solid projects out there, okay, that we've been seeing now in our crypto market, okay. And SUI is a decentralized permissionless smart contracts platform that based towards low latency management of assets, okay. And they are actually versatile. They are in Web3, they are in DeFi, they are in almost everything that you can come to think of. So what I like about this particular project is that they have different purposes which they are trying to fulfill. So what I love about this particular project is that they have purposes which they are trying to fulfill. And before we get into the purposes, okay, I want you guys to understand that there are many institutional investors that invested in SUI, pre-sale, okay. Binance Lab invested right there. So this is giving me more like a full hope, okay, that the coin may get listed on Binance. That is the reason why I'm asking you guys, do you know how high this coin will get after it get listed on Binance? So what I want to talk about is that since the investors, okay, when it comes to the tokenomics, okay, you can see that there are about 14% went to investors. And remember, Binance Lab is one of the investors as well. Okay, I feel that when the coin gets listed on Binance, okay, the coin may not kind of fall, like the coin may not fall so much. It will not be that volatile, okay. But I feel that the coin may get to about $10 to $11 or maybe $8. Okay, the coin may not get to fall that much because one is that I believe Binance doesn't have as much power, as much investing power in this particular project, okay. Because if you could take on the other project that Binance do kind of do invest in, they do have so much, okay. They may be having about 10%, okay, of the coin, okay, making it more kind of riskier for investors, okay. So now you can see that all the investors here are going to have about 14%, okay. So Binance may be having probably about 3% or 2%, okay. I mean Binance Lab. So the coin will not dump so much, but there's a problem. The problem here is going to be from the 50% that is on the community reserve, which is for the which is managed by SUI Foundation, which they are putting for delegation program, grant programs, research and development, and validator subsidies and everything. So I am feeling that if this project, like if people that are working there as the team, if they don't take time, okay, if there is a little misunderstanding, okay, these people could assess the 50% and dump this 50%. I mean, and dump about 25% on all the investors. This is what I'm thinking. Remember, we are talking about 50% of this coin, okay. 50% is on the community reserve. So since this 50% is on the community reserve, I don't really feel really safe with that 50% on the community reserve. I know that they are trying to own it, okay, in a way that like a lot of whales will not keep dumping the coin. Okay, so they want to own it, and this is very nice. That's what I'm saying. I'm saying that that's why I'm saying that the coin is not going to fall so much. It's not going to be that volatile. Okay, the only problem is that whenever they are like when they start running out of money, okay, they may want to sell some portion from the community reserve to, to kind of solve some certain problem. Okay, I think Terra Lab as well did that. Okay, they did that at some certain point. Okay, what they do is that when they sell, they still buy back again. So I am saying, all in conclusion, that this coin could get to about $8 to $10 when it gets listed on Binance. And another thing is that since they've got some staking kind of protocol, I believe you may be seeing another airdrop on the Binance when the coin gets to be listed on Binance. They may be doing some kind of airdrop or some kind of staking pool. They may be giving some staking rewards where you can stake the coin. Okay, then they get to give you more of the SUI coins. Okay, so this is how everything is going to be. Then this is just my critique. I would like to hear you guys' idea on this. Okay, but my own thoughts for the most part that it is really touching me is that there are about 50% in a community reserve. I am feeling that there should be maybe like 20% for investors. Okay, when 20% is for the investors, then probably, or there could be a possibility that Binance may have about 5% or that kind of amount than just having about 14% for the investors. They are trying to own this, so there won't be much dump in the market. But now let's still retwist everything. Okay, when anything should go wrong, these people are going to dump the coin, because that's what my mind is telling me. Remember, we are trying to use all of the compelling experiences here in the crypto market to justify on what may happen in the future. So, and I feel that the coin may not be that volatile, okay, at first, okay, may not be that volatile, but over the long run, the coin may be dropping a little bit of value because of, remember, this is more like a low cap altcoin. Okay, and they are trying to work on many things. As they are working on many things, remember, some things that they are working on may not be yielding as much results as you may be envisioning. So the more those things are not kind of hitting the mark, okay, the coin may lose a bit of value. This is normal. So what I'm saying is that the coin may get to about $10 or $8 when it gets listed on Binance. Let me know what you think about this, and let me know if you're understanding me from my own perspective, because I'm trying to stay in line so there won't be any misunderstanding right here. So let me know what you think about everything, and catch you on the next one. Love you. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video to all of your friends, and catch you again.